When we press the A key, we invoke the random brush. Let's look at the code. In the Eddy Game data section within Eddy Game Editor, we've added a whole bunch of flags in the randomizing brush section. We have this flag here, editor mode random on. So if this mode is on, then we're going to randomize the tile size, the layer, and the tile value, depending on which of these sub-selections is on. So these sub-selections mean absolutely nothing if this is not turned on. Okay, then down here, random brush ranges. This is a new section, and we have the random tile value range, the random tile size range, and a random layer range makes absolutely no fucking sense, so these are monkey wrench macros. Then down here we have random layer frequency, a whole bunch of tags define this section, and we have a weighted frequency between geometry, bomb, and fata. So when we re-roll, there's a 33% chance that one of these will be selected next with our random brush. Down here in the key mask down editor section, we've added the key binding for the A key, and if the random brush is already on, we're just going to turn it off. But if the mode is off, we're going to turn it on, and if all of the sub flags are turned off, we're going to use a default configuration where at least one of these is turned on, because it doesn't make much sense to turn this on if all the sub flags are turned off and then it doesn't do anything random. Now, if at least one of these flags is turned on, one of these sub flags is turned on, it's okay, we're not going to do anything. And this is an error state if we get to here. Then in the click or drag function for Mouse Master, within this randomizing brush section we created in video 314, we've added an extra guard here. So we're not going to do any of this code right here where we re-roll for a tile size layer and tile value unless the random brush is turned on. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here.